StephAndMannie YouTube channel. We are doing an unbox video today. Today is going to be on an insulated water bottle. The Coldest water. You can check them out on their website, thecoldestwater.com, or you can use their hashtag if you get one. I got the 21 ounce premium red 21 ounce water bottle. Reason I got this one, I have the Yeti. Our daughter and son and Stephanie has the Hydro Flask, but I got this one because I wanted something that would actually fit in my cup holder. So we're gonna do it. I got this one from Amazon. I'll leave a link on a bio if you guys want to order that one. So here we go. Of course, it comes with a bottle and paperwork. They have a bunch of different colors if you want to check them out. They also have different size water bottles. So, there's a little stop. Give you a little sticker. And the water bottle themselves.
It's pretty.
Thank you. Here you go. Bam. Got it.
Perfect. Now we're blurry.
I figured I'll read to you guys a little bit that it says about the bottle. It says keeps cold for 25 plus hours. No sweat technology. It floats in ocean and pools. Fits 99% of cup holders. Big handle for easy carrying and is eco-friendly. 100% BPA free and toxin free. Odor and bacteria resistant. It's the standard mouth one. Alright. Definitely very nice. Definitely check it out. No matter what bottle you guys pick, just remember, stay hydrated. Alright, so thank you for watching this quick little video. Also remember, like, subscribe. Give us a thumbs up or thumbs down. Don't really matter. Hope you guys enjoyed this. So have a good one.
Bye.